Question, synonym of dank is blank. Option A, broken. Option B, damp. Option C, hard. Option D, demolished. Correct answer is option B. Question, what is the antonym of generous? Option A, stingy. Option B, kind. Option C, giving. Option D, helpful. Correct answer is option A. Question, take the book blank the table. Option A, off. Option B, in. Option C, into. Option D, out of. Correct answer is option A. Question, antonym of bluster is blank. Option A, bravado. Option B, boast. Option C, confidence. Option D, meekness. Correct answer is option D. Question, antonym of caveat is blank. Option A, guarantee. Option B, warning. Option C, assurance. Option D, disclaimer. Correct answer is option C. Question, antonym of baroque is blank. Option A, minimalist. Option B, ornate. Option C, classical. Option D, rococo. Correct answer is option A. Question, antonym of velleity is blank. Option A, aversion. Option B, passion. Option C, indifference. Option D, apathy. Correct answer is option B. Question, antonym of coruscating is blank. Option A, mundane. Option B, tenebrous. Option C, sparkling. Option D, brilliant. Correct answer is option A. Question, antonym of rhubarb is blank. Option A, serenity. Option B, cacophony. Option C, harmony. Option D, sweetness. Correct answer is option C. Question, antonym of kilter is blank. Option A, balance. Option B, order. Option C, harmony. Option D, out of sync. Correct answer is option D. Question, antonym of dilettante is blank. Option A, amateur. Option B, connoisseur. Option C, novice. Option D, enthusiast. Correct answer is option B. Question, antonym of confabulation is blank. Option A, verification. Option B, fabrication. Option C, distortion. Option D, exaggeration. Correct answer is option A. Question, antonym of perispiciaty is blank. Option A, acumen. Option B, astuteness. Option C, naivety. Option D, intelligence. Correct answer is option C. Question, synonym of propinquity is blank. Option A, distance. Option B, closeness. Option C, remoteness. Option D, isolation. Correct answer is option B. Question, synonym of cromulent is blank. Option A, acceptable. Option B, unacceptable. Option C, questionable. Option D. Correct answer is option A. Question, synonym of amanuensis is blank. Option A, secretary. Option B, assistant. Option C, clerk. Option D, scribe. Correct answer is option D. Question, synonym of desiderium is blank. Option A, craving. Option B, satisfaction. Option C, fulfillment. Option D, contentment. Correct answer is option A. Question, synonym of finagle is blank. Option A, surrender. Option B, manipulate. Option C, cooperate. Option D, wheedle. Correct answer is option D. Question, synonym of macadamized is blank. Option A, gravel. Option B, mud. Option C, turfed. Option D, paved. Correct answer is option D. Question, synonym of sibylline is blank. Option A, enigmatic. Option B, obvious. Option C, transparent. Option D, subtle. Correct answer is option A. Question, synonym of levitate is blank. Option A, sink. Option B, float. Option C, plod. Option D, wander. Correct answer is option B. Question, synonym of accubation is blank. Option A, conversation. Option B, reclining. Option C, ambulation. Option D, occupation. Correct answer is option B. Question, synonym of the word fravious is blank. Option A, wonderful. Option B, surprising. Option C, live. Option D, gusto. Correct answer is option A. Question, change the voice, you will be acknowledged by the government. Option A, government will acknowledge you. Option B, government was acknowledge you. Option C, government has acknowledged you. Option D, none of these. Correct answer is option A. Question, the term aqua means blank. Option A, water. Option B, marsh. Option C, alloy. Option D, none. Correct answer is option A.